Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate TikTok's brand new STEM feature, a cool addition that enhances your experience on the app. Step 1. Make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. If an update is available, install it before continuing. Step 2. Once your app is updated, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, then tap Content Preferences. Here, you'll see the new STEM option. Step 5. Tap on the STEM option to learn more about the feature. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a Turn On button. Tap it to activate STEM. That's it. Once enabled, return to TikTok's home screen and you'll notice the STEM option at the top of the app, ready for you to explore. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.